how to create account on WeChat. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create an account on WeChat. For that, open your WeChat application on your mobile device. Once you reach to this interface of your WeChat application, here at the bottom right you will see sign up option. Click on that option, then you will be presented with two options. Here select the first option, sign up via mobile. Then you will be taken to this page. Here you will have to enter your name, country code, phone number and a strong password. After entering all the details, here below you will see a small circle. Here you'll have to click on it and accept the WeChat terms and services. After that, click on accept and continue button below and then you will be directed to a new page. Here read all the privacy policy of your WeChat application. Click on this little circle to agree and accept the terms. Then click on this next button. You will be taken to this page. Here you will have to verify your account. For that, click on this authenticate and it will give you a puzzle to solve to prove that you're not a robot. Once you succeed the verification, you will be taken to a new page. Here select the second one. Then here you can see you'll have to invite another user to scan your QR code to complete the registration. If you don't have anyone to invite, then you can do this step. Return back to the sign up place and here again repeat the process. And now immediately turn off and on your Wi-Fi and there you will see this interface. Now you will get a verification code via SMS. Wait for the code. Once you get the code, enter it in this box. Then click on this next button. Here click on OK and you can add friends from your contacts if you want. You can also skip this process and do it later. And then you can see you have successfully created account on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.